Hello class, this is my Project 2 proposal. My Project 2 proposal is going to be a continuation of my Project 1. My Project 1 was the Quality Control Circuit Board Inspection. The aim of this project is to actually put it in a box, and like I was mentioning in the last project, this is going to be an actual system that we're going to use here. So I need to finish it all the way through the end of the project. So I'm going to put it in a box. At the same time, I'm going to add additional circuitry to it and some modifications, not only with the circuitry, but some continuation of engineering. I'll explain to you what I mean by that. So this was my prototype board. It was actually on a breadboard. So the next step is to continue from there, what we want to do. So my proposal is to design my own PCB board. This is an example that I have right here, and this is an actual PCB board that we were actually measuring before. So what I want to do is design a custom PCB board that will fit right onto the Arduino. By designing a PCB board, I'll be using Altium software. I actually got the student version of it, which was a really good deal. We actually use Altium software here. So in order for me to learn what the electrical engineers are using here, I got the student version. That way I can do my project. By designing your PCB board, you're going to learn how to do custom board sizes. You'll be able to learn how to do a layout of your circuits. You'll learn different component packages. That's very important. I'll be using the 603 packages because what that does is when you do SMT surface mounts, you need to know the footprint of your component. You'll learn how to do SMT soldering. You actually learn the software, working with PCB manufacturers, and also learning all the design rules for the software. So I've been working on the software for several weeks now. So here's my circuit. It's not complete yet. I haven't put in the actual input voltage. I haven't actually put a DC to DC voltage converter to run the Arduino. But you can see that my layout is already taking shape and it's already looking like the Arduino here. This is my current status. This is a long learning curve for me, so I was kind of afraid that I wasn't going to be able to finish it on time. But I have a backup plan, so I went ahead and bought an actual prototype board for the Arduino. So just in case I cannot get my PCB working, usually it takes the electrical engineers here 2-3 times before they get one that's perfect. So I'm afraid that I might not get it right on the first time, but I have a backup plan just in case I don't. Like I said, I'm going to use some additional circuitry on my circuit. I need to do an additional power supply from the 24 volt input and step it down to 9 volts to run the Arduino. And I'll add some capacitors for filtering any voltage spikes. I'm going to incorporate a switch and an LED to let you know that the system's on. Also incorporate some incoming 24 volt power protection. That way if any voltage spikes or anything, when you plug it in, it'll protect the circuit. Thank you for your time.